How to transfer data from iPhone 14 Pro Max to iPhone X. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to transfer all your data from an iPhone 14 Pro Max to an iPhone X quickly and safely using Apple's Quick Start method. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare both iPhones. Make sure both iPhones are fully charged and connected to Wi-Fi. Turn on Bluetooth and place them side by side. Step 2. Start the transfer. Turn on the iPhone X. On your iPhone 14 Pro Max, you will see a quick start screen. Tap Continue. Step 3. Scan the animation. An animation will appear on the iPhone X. Use the iPhone 14's camera to scan it. If asked, enter your iPhone 14 passcode on the iPhone X. Step 4. Set up Face ID and choose Transfer. On the iPhone X, set up Face ID or skip it for now. Then, select Transfer from iPhone. Step 5. Keep devices close and plug it in. Keep both phones next to each other and plug it in. The transfer will begin. This can take a few minutes depending on how much data you have. And that's it. You've just transferred your data from an iPhone 14 Pro Max to an iPhone X using Quick Start. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.